masturbation and all. So this is bad because you are wasting your body, you are wasting your energy, you are wasting your own resource.
Okay.
So why we do this? Like we have lots of options to doing that type of things. So why we only do one?
I think it's good things like someone is alone, so he can and they can remove their aloneness with someone. Okay, and it is not a, I think it is not a illegal things, but in our India it is illegal. Government also says it is illegal. So why we don't?
But you know, I have seen that through the spa and all, massage and all, they are doing this kind of activities. So in India, like it's very different way.
It is, but they are.
But
they
if
are
you
doing
go in America and all, they are like doing this kind of thing like openly. But in India, you will have to hide yourself.
And
Even the
they are
girls,
doing, but
even the girls, you know, they don't want to show their, you know, face in front of the society because they know that once, you know, the world will know, or the like our relative will know, so you know they will be in the problem.
yeah. So like there are lots of things. As you said, in India it is illegal, but we know very well in Delhi, GV Road, and in Maharashtra, Kamathipura, there are lots of places in different of state. They are doing openly.
Even if you ask them about their number, they are not giving you. Even that, if you ask their name, they will not tell you exact what is their name.
Yeah.
They hide everything. Why? Because in India, they know that if once somebody will know who knows them, so they will be insulted too much.
Yeah.
So what is your opinion about we should legal this type of things in our India or not?
Yeah, like, as you know,